Can you roll over? Let's see. Come on. Try to roll over. Drooly boy. Let's see. Look up here. Come. It's hard work. Really? Come. Roll over. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Emma will help you. Come. 1, 2, 3. Bloop. Yay! Want to come back? 1, 2, 3. Bloop. You'll get there soon. Good job, Drooly boy.